Hello everyone and welcome back to Can and Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Accademia espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up, descaling the machine, removing the re-unit of the machine, replacing it with a newer one, replacing the O-ring from the brew group, and that is located right here. Deep clean everything inside and polishing and lubricating this as well. And yeah, that's all we did. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Then we're gonna use the hot water and the steam since we do not have the carafe. Pues voilà. Perfect, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Good color forming at the bottom at the top of the cup. And perfect quantity as well. Gonna stop around now. Perfect. Crema layer on top of the espresso cup. We're gonna test hot water right now. The thermoblock needs to reach a certain temperature for the water to get dispensed. So once the thermoblock reaches that temperature, as you can see right here, it will start dispensing water. Thermoblock has reached the temperature and now it will dispense some hot water. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature, working really great. Now let's use the steamer on this machine, and as well it needs to reach some temperature, a certain temperature for the steamer to work. Once the thermoblock reaches that temperature, the needing water pump that is located inside around here in the machine, right here to be precise, it will start pulsating and it will start pushing water through the thermoblock and through the whole system that is located on this door and into the steamer one, just to see right here. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the steamer one, really good pressure, excellent temperature, working really great. And there you have it, Gaggia Accademia working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Can and Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.